now today we will be starting this topic, which is hydrocarbons. So what is hydrocarbon? From this name only, what is the meaning of hydro and carbon?
Hydrogen and carbon, they are together forming a compound.
Hydrogen. Yes, for example, methane, which is CH4, it is a hydrocarbon. C2H6 is a hydrocarbon. C2H4 is also a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon basically consists of carbon and hydrogen. So here, hydrocarbon means hydrogen and carbon. And hydrocarbons are divided into two types. Hydrocarbons are divided into two types: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is saturated? Any idea about saturated hydrocarbon? Shazan, Ridhima?
It is written saturated, ma'am. The carbon is linked only like it's forming a single bond with with the element. And in unsaturated, ma'am, it is forming a triple or double bond or more than that.
Yes. So saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons where the carbon is linked with only single bond, like this. For example, C2H4, which is your methane. So it will be like this, right? C2 and total how many H?
From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Sorry,
ma'am, 6.
C2H6.
What? Now it's a
CH4, ठीक है, CH4 is a methane. So this is what? This is a
single
saturated
bond.
hydro, single bond. S for single. Okay, and what about unsaturated? Unsaturated means there should be at least double or triple bonds. So the
It's
single
very
bond is
good.
known as alkane. You know this? Alkane. Alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Next is, for example, if I will put N is equals to 2, so what will it will give me C2H6. N is equals to 1, so it will give me methane. Here it will give me ethane, and like that. And the unsaturated hydrocarbon consists of the double and triple bonds. For example, C2H6, C2H2. Double bond is known as alkenes. Alkenes will have at least one single double, and the general formula is CnH2n. And what about triple bonds? Triple bonds are known as alkyne. Alkyne, they will have a more than one triple bonds.
Oh,
For example, CnH2n minus 2. So you can also make a notes what are the general formulas of tell tell me the general formula of alkane, Shazan.
CnH2n.
What about alkene?
CnH2n minus 2.
Huh?
CnH2n
CnH2n or
minus
CnH2n plus 2.
plus 2. Okay, alkene.
So write somewhere. There
Ma'am,
is
I'll write it
plus
up.
2. There is only
There
2n.
are
And
three
here
types:
is
one alkanes,
1.
alkenes, and alkynes.
हाँ,
Why?
alkane, अरे alkane for single bond,
Uh,
alkene for double bond, alkyne for triple bond,
and
methane,
for
ethene.
4 bond, quadra
No,
block.
there is no four bonds. No, no, no.
Okay, then that's fine. Then
Okay,
we
simple
would have
general
been
formula
destroyed.
here. It will add plus 2 in the alkene. There is no plus 2, no minus 2, only 2n. But in the alkyne, there is a minus 2. Okay. So this is the general. So this is the general hydrocarbon, which consists of hydrogen and carbon, which is divided into two types: saturated, unsaturated. Now you tell me what is saturated and unsaturated, and what is the example and general. First, Ridhima will tell, and Shazan, you will tell of unsaturated, and she will tell of saturated.
Ma'am, so saturated is like a single bond, and the
Hmm.
example is CH4, methane,
Hmm.
and the generic is CnH2n plus 1.
Plus 1, plus 2.
Yeah,
There is
sorry,
no
plus
1. CnH2n plus 2.
okay.
Okay. Shazan, you
Okay.
about unsaturated.
Now, for unsaturated solution, it means that the carbon will form a bond with any element, and that bond will be double bond or triple bond. And now for double bond, it will be for double bond the formula will be CnH2, and for triple bond the formula will be CnH2n
What,
minus
what,
2,
what about double
and
bond
the
formula?
double bond formula is CnH2n.
CnH2n. Okay.
Right, known
Hmm.
as alkenes. And for triple bond, the
Not
formula will be
alkane, alkene.
that alkene. I'm only saying alkene.
Hmm.
It will be CnH2 plus minus 2n. and it's known as alkynes.
That are alkyl. Okay, good. So now you are familiar with, if anybody will ask what is saturated hydrocarbon, so simple alkane, single bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbon mean double or triple bond. And what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon basically of saturated as well, unsaturated as well, because hydrocarbons means only the mixture of hydrogen and
Hydrogen and carbon. Ma'am, your voice is breaking in between.
voice is breaking. One second,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
get the
It is.
now Shazan, you are on mute.
Yes, ma'am, I know. Did you ask any question?
Hydrocarbons. Now
Ma'am, your voice.
okay, so now we will go through with this paragraph. What is hydrocarbons? The organic compounds which contains only carbons and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. Very simple definition. Hydrogen and carbon, organic compounds which consist carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbon. For example, methane, CH4, C2H6, C2H4 and C2H2. All are containing carbon as well as hydrogen. So these compounds are known as hydrocarbons. For methane, ethene, ethyne, all are known as hydrocarbons. These are the simplest organic compounds and are regarded as parent organic compounds. These are very simple in terms of what? Because it is consisting only two molecules, carbon and hydrogen. So that's why this is considered as very simple organic compound. All other compounds are considered to be derived from them by the replacement of one of more hydrogen, because earlier we have studied lot of formulas. There we have there what we did, we replace one of the compounds and then we put it over here. So here more than carbons and hydrogen are also included, for example chlorine, iodine, bromine, like that. But in this one only, this is a very simple with the two molecules. So this is divided into two, saturated and unsaturated. Now what is saturated? The hydrocarbons in which all the carbons are linked by a single covalent bonds are known as hydrocarbons. They are also known as alkanes and also known as paraffin. If anybody will ask you what is paraffin, so don't get confused. It is only alkane, and they are only asking about what is saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so paraffin is also very important word. Please mark this word. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. We already know this. And if you want to make like if you want to put n is equals to 1 2 3, like that you can put, and it will come methane, ethane, and then forward. What is unsaturated? The unsaturated hydrocarbon will have at least double bond. They will have at least double bond, or they will have at least triple bond. Now you make three compounds which will have single bond, and another one will be of double, and the third one will be of, and tell to me what is the compound, how many carbons and how many hydrogens that bond is contained. Shall make it. Single is easy, you know, methane.
Can I explain the question again?
You have to make three compounds. For example, single one is very easy. Methane, carbon is having single bond with four hydrogens. So like that, you have to make carbon carbon double bond, and then you have to make carbon carbon triple bond. So this will come under ethene, and this will come under alkene and alkyl. So like that, you have to make. So
So
try.
the next one, ma'am, what will be? Ma'am, it should be the mixture of carbon and hydrogen only.
Obviously, huh? Only what you have to do, you have to put
Ma'am,
the hydrogen here.
triple bond. So, ma'am, we have not seen the example of triple bond. How will make?
It's easy. Carbon is having how many over here? Three. And carbon needs one more. Hydrogen needs two. So like that you can put now. Try it.
We have to draw the diagram.
Yes, diagram. Or you can make the diagram. Tell me the. Okay, then I will make it and I will tell you whether it is correct or. Done? Rizan,
Ma'am, my pen actually got. I'm doing.
why you are taking so much time? Ridhima, what problem are you facing?
Ma'am, just 1 second. I'm doing the last. Yes, ma'am. Done.
मैम मेरा डबल बॉन्ड तक हो गया मैम ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कैसे बनेगा
But this is a single bond which is zero. You can like that. Take it and double bond. Many more carbon, four more, right?
मेरा वॉइस इज
Because
ब्रेकिंग मैम
carbon is
मेरा वॉइस इज
six
ब्रेकिंग
of-
मैम
So carbon is having four, which is like number. So two, four, right? Sorry, six. So it will be two and four. So four more carbon needs. So what carbon will do? Like this, you can do it, right? Or you can make this thing like this. So carbon 4 4, here also 4. So it will be like this, CH2 and here CH2. Simple. Nahi samajh aayi Shazan? Shazan, you got it or not?
मैम फॉर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड मैम कार्बन एटम विल बी 6 मैम
Six.
sorry for Three carbon atom and the rest hydrogen atom, right?
Only this is the answer, dear.
What? Ma'am, you should have
Yeah.
asked, ma'am. I was drawing all diagram stuff and all that.
Like what I told. This is only the answer, na. Ridhima, this is correct for you or not? Because here carbon only one more electron with the hydrogen to make it four in its outermost shell. And hydrogen needs one more because one is there, so hydrogen needs one more to make it two. So इसको two मिल गया और इसको four मिल गया, हो गया. Where was the doubt?
Understood, ma'am. No doubt. It was very easy.
Understood नहीं बना ये.
Ma'am, but
ठीक
I
है.
did hard work.
Hard work, okay. See, hard work always pay off. Alkenes. Alkenes are what? Those unsaturated hydrocarbons which have at least one double bond. It can be like this as well, like this. So here you can add hydrogen, like two. So two hydrogen will be added. Two and three, one hydrogen, only one. So three hydrogen. Okay. So it will have at least one double bond. Or, so those are known as alkenes. It can be like this as well. So it will have at least one single triple bond. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा है कि सब जगह ट्रिपल
Ma'am, your
ट्रिपल कर रहा
voice
है.
is
No.
breaking every time. Ma'am, आवाज कट रही है बहुत हो रही है.
जैसे कट रही है नेटवर्क तो ठीक है. Okay. So see, it's not like it will make double bonds in each and every chain. Only if it will make the double bond over here. So this is the alkenes. If this is, so this is alkyl. ठीक है, alkynes. A triple bond is formed by sharing the three pairs of electrons, and this is the general formula of your triple bonds. Now let me see more. Next is the structure. So structure is very easy. C2H2 you can make, right? Do it fast in 1 minute.
That's easy.
Do fast C2H6 and make electron dot structure as well. Fast.
Ma'am, done.
Good, ma'am.
That okay. So like this, it will be now 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Each will be
Hydrogen.
sharing one electron.
Good.
Carbon and hydrogen. Very simple. In next, you will make propane, which is C3H8, and further. So the next class will be full of structure. Okay. So practice very well of structure. And any doubt, Pradima, in the hydrocarbons anywhere? Very simple. Hydrocarbon is two. It is divided into two.
Yeah,
Saturated,
ma'am.
unsaturated.
Ma'am, that is clear, but little I have in alkanes, alkyne, the three. I'll ask
What?
next class. Ma'am, just you can.
It's okay. You can ask right now.
No, you can just explain it once again next class. A revision. That's all.
Okay, alkane. See, this is alkane. If only single bond is there, then this is alkane. If double bond is there, then this is alkene. If triple bond is there, then this is alkyne. That's it. If in a chain one double bond is there, it means that chain is alkene. And this is there, then this is alkyl.
Mm.
Okay, I'll explain it
ma'am,
next time. Well, if we discuss a lot more structures, it will be easy for you. Tell. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, thank you.
okay, ma'am.
Tell. No, tell.
No, nothing. You can explain next class. I just have doubt in structures. Like you
Okay,
can
so
explain it.
do one thing. You can share
Hmm.
me your question.
No,
I'll
ma'am,
call you
there
or
is no there is no specific doubt. It's just the structure I'm not able to make it proper.
Okay. Okay, then we will discuss in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.